I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use hyaluronic acid sheet mask. Apply to clean skin, smooth edges, and relax while it hydrates your face. Avoid rubbing or stretching the sheet to prevent irritation. Use gentle pressure to press serum into skin after removal and pat any remaining serum until absorbed. Follow with moisturizer and sunscreen if going outside, and store masks in a cool, dry place for best results. Start by washing and drying your face, then tone if that is part of your routine. Carefully remove the mask from its packet and unfold it without tearing. Align cutouts with your eyes, nose, and mouth, then press the mask to your skin so it adheres evenly. Relax for the specified time on the package and do not let the mask dry out. Finish by massaging the leftover serum into your skin gently. For best results, treat the mask like a mini spa session and give yourself a few uninterrupted minutes. Frequency depends on your skin type, so start with once a week and increase to 2 or 3 times if needed. Chilled masks can reduce puffiness and feel refreshing, while warm towels can help serum absorb. Avoid active exfoliation right before masking to prevent sensitivity, and always follow with a moisturizer to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.